Hello, welcome back to FinEx Bros. Today, we're going to tackle a common data cleaning problem using one of Excel's powerful features, the Remove Duplicates function. This tool is a game changer when it comes to streamlining your data. Let's dive right in. Imagine you have a dataset with information about employees, names, departments, and their respective cities. But there's a catch. You might notice some duplicates that need cleaning up. Take a look at this dataset with 10 rows. I intentionally created a dataset consisting of only 10 rows and 3 columns, so it's easy to see how the duplicate removal function works. As you can see, we have some duplicate entries in the Name and Department columns. This is where the Remove Duplicates function comes in handy to clean up our data. Now, let me walk you through the steps of using the Remove Duplicates function. First, select the range or the entire column where you want to remove duplicates. In our case, I'll choose the Name, Department, and City columns. Next, head over to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon. Now, find and click on the Remove Duplicates button. A dialog box will pop up, showing all the columns in your selected range. In this dialog box, you'll see all the columns, and by default, Excel selects all of them. But you can choose specific columns to check for duplicates. In our example, we only want to remove duplicates based on Name and Department. So, I'll unselect City. And if your data has headers, as you can see, it's checked by default. Based on your dataset, you can either leave it checked or uncheck it. After choosing the columns, hit OK. Excel will swiftly analyze the data and remove any rows that have identical values in the selected columns. And just like that, our dataset is now clean. The duplicates based on Name and Department have been successfully removed, giving us a neat and accurate dataset. The Remove Duplicates function is a lifesaver when it comes to cleaning up your data effortlessly. Whether you're dealing with employee records, customer lists, or any other dataset, this feature can save you time and help ensure the accuracy of your information. Give it a try in your own projects, and you'll see the power of this tool. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Excel tips. Stay organized and keep excelling, data superheroes.